Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you're gonna see how to create a Facebook account. So let's head over to our Facebook. But if you, as I already have a Facebook account, I'm not gonna creating that. I'm gonna head over to website to create a Facebook account. So I'm gonna go to Facebook login or sign up. So So it's currently getting loaded because of my poor internet connection. So it may take time to load according to your study connection. Let me change my connection to mobile data. Reloading it. So as you can see, so to do that, you have to go to your create new account. Now tap on create new account. Now give your first name and surname. After that, go to next. And as you can see, my name is short and you have to follow the prompts so that you can create a Facebook account. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.